What is going on, guys? It's Justin from the J Media, back with another video. So today we'll be doing an install video to my DC5 RSX. You guys know that I recently picked up this 2005 RSX as my new daily. So what we'll be doing today is we'll be installing some LED bulbs. I know one of the first few mods I always do to any car I buy are LED bulbs. So whether it's interior LED bulbs or exterior LED bulbs. So these ones specifically, usually I like to swap out the headlights to LEDs, but whenever I bought the car, we already have LED headlight bulbs, so that's awesome. And for this model, we also have the fog lights. So currently, I'm not sure if you guys can see, but we have halogen bulbs. So big thank you to Boslla for sending out these bulbs. These are LED, and what makes them unique is on the box it says it's the world's first full color LED. So what that means is you have different colors you can set it to. The white 6500K, the warm yellow 4300K, the yellow 3000K, and the warning flash 3000K. So since these are my fork lights, I'll probably keep it at the 3000K, the bright yellow. So let's open it up. And I actually had Boslla bulbs before, so again, big thank you to them. I've been working with them now for a little bit, and we actually had Boslla bulbs installed in my RSX, the silver RSX. If you guys remember, about a year back, we installed the Boslla LED bulbs to the headlights as low beam. So right now we are installing these. Build quality is great. I have this glass bulb which you will remove. So the bulb itself, and then you also have the ballast. So these ballasts are in a metal casing, so really strong and robust. I know some LEDs have like the ballast in a plastic casing in the past. Whenever I got those cheap LEDs, I have had them melt on me before, especially in this hot Texas heat. So great material, feel good. So what you want to do is, there's two pieces to it, and the bulb itself, you're gonna connect it right here, and then the other end you're gonna go ahead and connect it to the OEM wiring harness. So let's go ahead and take out the OEM bulb first and do a little comparison. So first things first, before we start taking anything apart, this is how the fog lights look. Again, these are the halogen bulbs with LEDs. They last a lot longer, they are a lot brighter as well. So let's go ahead and remove the stock halogen bulb. We're gonna get started on replacing it for the driver's side. So what I always recommend is turn your wheel inwards just so you have more space to fit your hand. I know some cars has fender liner. In my case, this side doesn't have fender liner already, so it makes my life easier. But you can see the wires here, and that's where your fog light is located. So you want to go in and disconnect it. So there you have it. We have the halogen bulb off. So super easy, just lefty loosey, comes right off. And to remove it, you just give it a little tug, clips right out. So here's a comparison: the halogen bulb as well as the LED bulb side by side. So you can tell build quality, this one's much nicer, more sturdy, like I said, from Boslla. You also have your nice ballast right here. So yeah, definitely high quality products. So to connect it, really easy. You're gonna take the bulb, connect it to the ballast. There are holes here, so just line the holes up. Okay, and then you can go ahead and screw it nice and tight. Don't forget to remove this glass casing as well. And what you want to do is go ahead and connect it I always like to test it out, make sure it works first before I you know, put the bulb back. So let's go ahead and switch it on and see how it looks. So yeah, little test works. They also did have this little quick tip here that says flip the plug if not working. So that's what happened to me the first time around. I plug it in, switch the car, headlights on, my fog lights on, and it didn't work. So all you have to do is disconnect this terminal, flip it the other way around, and it works. And now I'm gonna go ahead and put the bulb back, install it back in the fog light housing. So same thing, you're gonna insert it into the hole and just righty-tighty. And then what I'll do later is I'll zip tie the ballast so that it's nice and sturdy. So let me show you guys. So now that I have the bulb in there, you can see the wires and ballast is dangling. I don't like that, so I'm gonna go ahead and zip tie it. So just find a nice spot to zip tie it to. I'm just gonna zip tie it right over here so it doesn't shake and dangle whenever I drive the car. So there we have it, nice and stuck right over there. It's not gonna fall off. So let me go ahead and knock out the other side and show you guys. But from the front, you can see LED Boslla bulb. Alright, so right now let me just quickly knock out the passenger side. I'm gonna do a quick time lapse. And this process is really quick and easy. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes. No tools needed. Alright, so LED bulbs all complete. We have them on the passenger side as well as the driver side. So let me go ahead and switch it on and show you guys how it looks. So like I said earlier at the very beginning, there are 4 modes, and let me show you guys what I mean. So to switch to the different modes, all you have to do is just turn it on, off, on, off. So each time you switch it on and off, it switches colors. So I know it might be very hard to see because my lens over here is yellow, so on camera it looks all yellow. Like I said, the different colors are here. So the first one is a bright white, 6500K, and then 4300K, 3000, and then the flashing one, you guys might have saw that one. So yeah, pretty cool. So there you have it. Install all in all is really easy. Like I said, you don't need any tools. All you're gonna do is remove it by turning the light bulb lefty-loosey, putting it back in, righty-tighty. You might need a zip tie if you want to attach the ballast, or if you don't have zip ties, that's fine. You can use double-sided tape, or you can just let it dangle, it's fine as well. But I just wanted to tidy it up, make it a little cleaner. So what I'll do right now, the sun is still out. I'll wait for a couple hours, wait for the sun to set, and show you guys the LED fog light bulbs. So a few hours has passed. As you can tell, the moon is up and it is nighttime, pretty dark. So we have the car over here. We do have a little bit of light, but yeah, let me go ahead and switch on the fog lights and see how they look. As you can tell, the fog lights are super bright, the LEDs. This is just with the fog lights on, you can already see quite a lot. And then switch on the headlight. With the headlights you can see even further, but yeah, definitely. I know on camera it's kind of hard to see because it's so bright, but yeah, pretty much lights up the road. Alright, so I'm gonna end the vlog here. I want to say a big thank you to Boslla again for sending out the LED bulbs. They look great. Definitely makes my fog lights much brighter. In the past with the halogen bulbs, whenever I turn it on, I could barely see it. It's there from the front, but whenever it's at night, I guess my LED headlights overpower the halogen fog lights much more. But right now, since both are LEDs, it's super bright. And I actually use my fog lights as daytime running lights as well on my RSX, so that definitely helps much brighter. LED bulbs last longer as well. And if you guys want to check out their bulbs and buy it, you can go to Bossla's website or the Instagram page. I'm going to link it right here. So again, if you guys stick to the end, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new to the channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.